Hey Krishna, what you working on?
Oh yeah, I'm having some trouble deciding what to do about the Udacity app rewrite.
Ooh, are you gonna rewrite the Udacity app in Swift?
You know, I do code more quickly in Swift, but rewriting the entire app would be a lot of work. On the other hand, I don't really want to write new features in Objective-C.
Did someone say Objective-C? Objective-C is so dynamic. Doesn't it make you feel like you have more power as a developer?
Yeah, that's true.
But Swift is a more modern, concise language, and it'd probably improve performance.
Yeah, that's true too. You know, the more I think about it, I think the best move might be to try to use them both.
But Objective-C and Swift are so different. How are we gonna get them talking to each other?
You say enum and I say enum. You say dynamic and I say static. Enum, enum, dynamic, static. Let's call the whole thing off.
You say Giphy and I say Jiffy. You call a function and I send a message. Giphy, Jiffy, function, message. Let's call the whole thing off.
But oh, if we call the whole thing off.
You lose foundation.
And oh, if we ever part, then that might break my app. So if I like typed arrays and you like them untyped, I'll take them untyped with optional casting. For we know we need each other, so we better call the calling off off. Let's master interop.
You say care
And you say car,
I like to swizzle.
and I do not swizzle.
Care,
Car,
swizzle.
no swizzling.
Let's call the whole thing off. But oh, if we call the whole thing off.
You lose core data.
And oh, if we ever part, then that might break my app. So if I pass you nil values, but you want some warning,
You can use nullability annotations.
For we know we need each other, so we better call the calling off off. Let's master interop. Let's master interop.